Going to see about breadth first search. Breadth first search is a graph traversal algorithm that explores all the vertices in the graph at the current depth before moving to the vertices at the next depth level. It traverses the vertices of a graph in a breadthward motion and uses a queue to remember the next vertices to visit. The initialization start the BFS traversal from any arbitrary vertex. Visiting a vertex visits a vertex, mark it is visited. NQ all unvisited neighbor of the current vertex. DQ a vertex from the queue and repeat steps from its neighbor. Let's implement BFS in Java using a queue data structure. To show you the code how to write the breadth first search. For that first we want to implement or import java.util.star package and then public class breadth and then say that we want to create a private boolean array for visitor and private and public breadth first search of graph. This dot graph equal to visitor equal to new boolean graph dot v. Public void BFS int source q integer q equal to new linked list and visitor source equal to true and q dot offer source while not q dot is empty then int v equal to q dot poll system dot out dot print v for int u graph dot agent of v. If not visitor of u, then visitor of u equal to true. Q dot offer u. And then public static void main string or now I want to add a graph equal to new graph of 6. Now I want to add edge case. Graph dot add edge of 0, 1 dot add edge of 0, 2. Graph dot add edge of 1, 3. Graph dot add edge of 2, 4. Graph dot add edge of 2, 5. And then we want to call breadth first search dot BFS equal to new graph, and then we want to print system println of BFS traversal from vertex 0 and BFS of 0. In this implement, we define the breadth first search class that takes a graph object and maintain a visited array to track visited vertices. The BFS method performs BFS traversal starting from a given source vertex. We use a queue to keep track of the vertices to visit next. We mark each vertex visited vertex and enqueue its unvisited neighbors. We demonstrate the BFS traversal in the main method by creating a graph and performing BFS starting from vertex 0. Now I am going to write a code for graph.java. Public class graph int v list integer adj. Before that we want to import java packages. Import java.util.start list. Now I will public graph int v int v graph this dot v equal to this dot v equal to v and adj equal to new array list of v for int I equal to 0 I less than v I plus plus adj dot add new linked list of and the function to add an edge to the graph public void add edge int u comma int v add dot get of u dot add of v add dot get of v dot add of u. And if next we are going to create a function for to get the adjacent vertex of vertex public iterable integer j of int u return adj dot get u. If I run this, I'm sorry, this is adj dot get. See like this BFS traversal from vertex 0 0 1 2 3 4 5. Like this it will work. This graph class represents a unidirectional graph using an adjacent list. It supports adding edges between vertices and retrieving the adjacent vertices of the given vertex. Thank you.